Okay. Bubunot ba ako ng pangalan? O, pipili na lang ako. Okay. Let's try first, Miss Michelle.
Ako talaga.
Kasi hindi ka nakatingin sa camera. Okay, Miss Michelle, this is your question. Okay. Question is, according to the research of Bloom et al., remote workers often struggle with overwork, with 29% reporting what? Miss Michelle. Oh, yan. A.
Ayan,
Ayan, na may ano naman, may option naman. Piliin mo na lang A, B, C, or D. Sige, guess. Anong sagot? Miss Michelle. Ha? Ba't di kita marinig? Anong nangyari? Nakamute ka yata.
Hindi po, ma'am. Creative person.
Oh, anong sagot? Sagot. Miss Michelle, andiyan ka pa.
Hindi ko makita yung questions.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Tapos yung ano, ma'am, yung
Po,
hindi
hindi
ko
makita yung
makita
question, pati yung choices.
yung
Sa
choices
akin po,
wala
ma'am.
po.
Kanina pa po.
Walang choice.
Wala kayong makita?
Wala akong
Wala
makita,
po, action
ma'am.
plan.
Hindi po namin makikita, ma'am.
Sinong hindi
Parang
pa
pili lang
nakakakita?
po.
Wala, pero
Hindi
ang
ko po
sagot
din
dyan,
nakikita, ma'am. Wala po.
switch off. The
Switch
task
off.
switch off.
Naka-switch off po yata yung question.
Oo nga, ano ba yan? Nakikita
Wala.
ko naman.
Kanina pa, ma'am. Simula
Kaya
na ano, nag-start.
kasi wala po.
Pili lang po yung naka-open.
Alin?
Action plan ang naka-open.
Plan.
Bakit action plan lang ang naka-open? And dito sa aking screen ay ano na, na-move ko na. Baka internet?
Freezing screen
Loading
na.
din ng internet, isa din factor.
Oo, malamang. Oo, saglit.
Hmm.
Sige, ayusin natin ang ating...
So that is important internet so that we can go do.
Ayun.
There you go.
Switching
Ah,
off.
Of
okay na ba?
course.
Opo.
There, nakita na po.
Yan. Ang sagot dyan is,
Switching off.
Switching off.
Switching off.
siyempre pag nag-switch off, naka-switch off yung internet yata natin. Ano nangyari? Okay, switching off. Next. Sino gusto sumagot sa next question?
Depende sa question.
Volunteer. Hindi ko papakita yung question, syempre, no? Sige. Sino gusto sumagot ng question? Next question.
Try lang ako.
Casey?
Sige
Yes?
po.
Sige,
Sige
Miss
po.
Casey. Identify high-impact
Identify
activities that
high-impact
generate
activities.
disproportionate value. Ibig sabihin yung more than the expectation of the client. And focus energy accordingly. Anong principle to? High-impact activities.
Pareto. Pareto principle po. The 20-80 rule.
80-20 rule. Very good.
Yes.
Casey. Okay. Next question. Who wants to answer the next question?
Try, ma'am, try.
Okay, Mr. Jerwin. Your question is, nag-overlap daw yung home and workspace. Kasi lalo na pag remote worker ka, no? Nag-overlap yung work mo. So habang nag-work ka, naglalaba ka rin, no? Yung washing machine. So nag-overlap yan. So sometimes it's making it difficult to establish a clear start at saka end. Anong oras bang start ng work ko sa work? At saka anong oras ba ako nagtatrabaho sa loob ng bahay? Kasi syempre may work din tayo sa loob ng bahay. Like, cleaning, cooking, washing the clothes. So pag nasa remote working space ka, you have to identify when ba ang oras ng work mo. But sometimes, since you are a remote worker, the home and work spaces, they overlap. So it becomes difficult to establish a clear start at saka end times ng professional work mo. Anong tawag dito sa phenomenon na?
Switching off.
Ha? Hindi, kasi
Switching off.
switching off is psychological and mental detachment from the task. Ito naman, yung work and home space nag-overlap, parang nagko-combine. So you cannot identify anong oras na ba ito, workspace na ba to for remote working or trabaho pa rin sa bahay. Okay? Hmm.
Boundary erosion.
Boundary.
Ano sagot,
Yes.
Mr. Jerwin?
Boundary erosion, no?
That's right. 'Di ba? Nagkakaroon
Yes,
ng erosion ng boundary. Hindi
goes
mo na
towards
alam
more.
kung ano, work time ko na ba
Yes.
to or mommy time pa ba ito or wifey time or husband time ba to or remote work pa rin, ganon. So nagkakaroon ng boundary erosion because your home and workspaces overlap. Yan yung mga difficulty ng remote working. Okay? So hindi rin actually madali magtrabaho
Bravo, yeah.
in a remote work, okay? Or work from home. Next question. Who wants to answer the next question?
Try po, ma'am.
Miss Dolly. Okay, Miss Dolly. Constant notification emails, messaging platforms.
These are
Digital.
digital distractions.
Digital distractions.
Yes, digital distractions. Okay? So I make it a point na kapag meron tayong conversations, lagi kong ini-incorporate yung WhatsApp para nandun din yung attention nyo. Kasi anyway, titignan nyo pa rin naman yung phone nyo, no? So, lagi ko sabi ko send nyo sa WhatsApp kasi titignan nyo pa rin naman yung phone nyo. Kasali kasi yan sa distractions. Okay? So, ganun din pag nagre-remote work kayo, laging distraction yung mga yan or yung email. So, you should really know how to manage this by, okay, mamaya na ako magsasagot ng email. Mamaya na ako sasagot ng messages. Kaya kung kanina nakita nyo, hindi ako nagre-reply kasi may time ako to reply your messages. Okay? Even if I see your messages popping in, hindi na maibig sabihin sasagot agad ako kasi nakaschedule yan siya. Otherwise, yung aking mental preparation for my task ay mawawala. So, that's my technique. So, ewan ko lang sa inyo, how do you manage your digital distractions? Okay? So, ako kasi, I will just answer you kapag fully na ako naka-attention sa inyo. Otherwise, I may not be able to understand what you're saying or you're asking. Baka mali pa yung sagot ko. So, ganun yung aking technique. So, if I am late to reply, that means hindi ako 100% focused. Ibig sabihin, I'm still working at something. I cannot attend to your message 100%, although I saw your message. Kasi distraction siya doon sa task na nakalinya. Okay? Next question. May isa pa?
Ita-try ko po.
Miss Joanna. Okay.
Yeah.
Lack of social accountability. Parang wala naman akong Okay, wala naman akong
Isolation effects.
Isolation.
Okay, bakit hindi digital distraction or boundary erosion or switching off? Obvious ba yung sagot?
Yes.
Po.
Of social accountability.
Baka sabihin nyo, ang hirap naman ng question. Ayan, so
Lack of
kung hindi nyo pa
social
nakuha yan, ewan ko na. Very good, Miss John. Oh, may
Kasi
isa
yun na
pang
lang hindi
question.
nasasagot mo doon.
Sasagot ka, Raymond? Hindi daw. So, okay. O, sino pa sasagot? Isang question.
Ako po.
Miss Janice. Okay. Next question. This is the quotation of the author of this principle or this technique.
Work
Work expands to fill the time available for its completion. Ano ibig sabihin?
Parkinson's.
Yes. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng Parkinson's? Pag sinabing work expands to fill the time available for its completion, that means kung ano yung sinet mo na time for it to finish, kakayanin mo yon. Okay? So if you decided to finish washing your laundry for 1 hour, ay 1 hour mo talagang tatapusin yan. But if you said, ay, dapat 15 minutes lang to. So, siyempre, ita-timer mo lang siya ng 15 minutes because you have decided to finish it in 15 minutes. Therefore, time management is really personal management and discipline. Okay? That's what Parkinson's law says. Okay. Any other questions before we proceed? Yung quiz nyo later na kasi dalawa yung platform na aaralin natin today. So I'll put the question in the portal later and you just take your quiz there when you are free. Okay?
Okay po.
Tapusin nyo muna itong
Okay
dalawang
po.
platforms natin, which is yung Clockify at saka Fiverr. And what you're going to do after you follow the instructions that I have given you sa guide, you send or submit your screenshots doon sa Slack in your own channel or i-DM nyo ako sa Slack. Okay? Huwag na sa WhatsApp. Kasi mas madali kong ma-trace doon. At least sa inyo lang yon. Kasi sa GC, lahat kayo magsasubmit. So medyo mahirapan akong mag-identify kung sino na yung nakasubmit or not. But doon, sa channel nyo, makikita ko na kung ano na yung sinubmit nyo lang as individually. Okay? So please send your screenshots to Slack. Okay? So, dun muna tayo sa Clockify. Anong issues nyo sa Clockify muna?
Wala pong kiosk kasi
Kiosk.
hindi po na-follow yung
Yun.
instruction.
So, i-activate nyo yung kiosk and then you activate your own kasi kahapon pa ako nagtatry na i-activate yung team kiosk. Siguro dahil naka-free trial tayo, we're not able to do it. So, i-activate nyo na lang yung sarili nyo munang kiosk. Pero as per my, pwede naman, but I don't know, I don't see. Try ko ulit kayo
Ma'am,
i-invite.
Pero
Baka
yung
mag-work na kasi
instruction nyo,
naka-online
ma'am,
naman kayo now. Okay, so I will try to
Yung
invite you again. Please check your emails and
Yes
let's
po, ma'am.
try to make it work. Hopefully it will work. Kasi pag
Sana.
nag-send ako kagabi, sabi nyo expired na. So ibig sabihin dapat pala immediately you have to get it kasi I wasn't aware na mag-expire yung invitation. I thought that it will still work even if 24 hours na. I think there's a specific time. Pwede siyang mag-ano ng particular hours, but I'm not really sure how many hours. So I'll just invite you again as a team. Okay. Then let's see if it's gonna work.
kasi
Okay,
nung
so-
finalo ko po yung instruction nyo, ma'am,
Oh,
yung
sige.
sa
So sa step
tatlong
1,
dot.
screenshot lang kayo. Screenshot lang kayo ng work ninyo, then continue.
Fiverr pa lang yung natapos. Hindi pala siya pwedeng ma'am, portrait yung sa Fiverr po. Gusto niya landscape lang yung introduction
Yes,
ng
may
video.
particular may particular specification sila
Requirement.
na susundin.
Mas ma'am, no? Mas particular sa ang Fiverr i-compare sa Upwork.
Yes, that's true. Masyado silang madaming chechebureche sa Fiverr.
Yeah.
Kasi
Number
mas
of
sikat yata kasi yun
characters.
siya. Yes. And don't forget to put description sa gigs ninyo ha. Kasi yung gigs ninyo, you will identify kung pro or premium or starter, beginner yung mga offer ninyo. So pwede na kayo magbenta dyan. Pwede na rin kayo mag-offer ng services ninyo. Try. O yung mga nagsisend ng message.
May nagme-message tas hindi
Nako.
naman napasok sa
Don't click on the links. Huwag niyong i-click yung mga links kasi karamihan dyan mga hackers or something. So you have to check your, kung meron talaga nag-appear na order, yun ang totoong order. Okay? Tsaka pag nagbayad na, yun, mag-a-appear na sa order yun. Pag yung mga nagme-message lang, nako, mga scam yung mga yan. Don't click on the links and don't ever give any personal information para hindi tayo okay? Security. Gaya nga ng pag-usapan natin, security ninyo. I-try nyo nga ulit mag-login
may bagong link na ma'am.
sa kiosk.
Next.
Sige po, ma'am.
May bagong link na,
We'll
ma'am.
send the link sa group chat if pwede na.
Madam, hindi ko pa na-receive yung new invitation mo.
Nag-send ka ba?
Mag-classify muna kayo, mag-login muna kayo para mabilang yung work niyo. Kasi pag hindi kayo login, hindi mababayaran, You will soon see that I assigned a payment for you as $10 per hour. Okay? For learning purposes. So tignan natin kung sinong makakakuha ng highest billable amount. Okay? So kung $10 per hour tapos 2 hours lang
Ma'am.
kayo, siguro meron kayong 2 cents per pag 2 oras ay 2 ang tawag diyan. Pag
It looks like you're
2
not
minutes
allowed to launch
or
this
20 minutes.
kiosk.
Wala pa rin? Ayaw?
Ano siya, ma'am? Not
Ayaw
authorized
pa rin
to
po.
use.
Unauthorized pa rin.
Same po
Hmm.
nung kay Casey, ma'am.
Okay. So, gamitin nyo na lang yung sarili nyong kiosk for your timer. Okay? Tingnan natin. I really don't know anong issue dito. Why is it not giving you chance?
Gawa na ako ng fiber, ma'am, pero hindi pa lang tapos. Nasa ilang percent na yung nagawa ko.
Sige. Screenshot nyo lang and send sa akin sa Slack. Okay?
Sa over half na ata yung profile na natapos ko ng fiber.
Over half na. Kasi naka-upload na po kayo ng video.
Almost 100%
Sa
na
Fiverr.
yung fiber profile ko, ma'am.
Okay. That's
Ma'am,
good.
paano po ba gumawa ng kiosk?
Meron akong instruction doon. May din nung nag-sign up ka, tatanungin ka
Wala
kung ano
po.
yung mga gusto.
Wala pong
wala
yung
din
pipindutin
choices.
wala din po yung choices na inano nyo. Pag pinindot ko po yung 3 dots, ang lumalabas, manage workspaces lang.